Sawadee. Hi there everyone. It's me, Teacher Melvin. I hope that you're doing fine together with your family. Today is Friday and it's science time. Today, let's talk about weather and climate. Do you know what is the difference between weather and climate? Okay, so let's watch this video.
Weather and climate. An evening of heavy spring rains is on its way with gusty winds of moderate intensity. A cold front will bring down the maximum air temperatures, although the minimum will be the same. This can produce storms in the mountains. What is the weather? How are clouds and storms formed? The answer is found in the atmosphere.
Yes, here in the atmosphere. Atmosphere. Do you know what that is? The atmosphere is a layer of air surrounding the Earth. It allows all living things to breathe, regulates the planet's temperature, and protects it from particles and radiation from the sun and from outer space.
All phenomena that determine weather conditions occur in the atmosphere. Clouds, rain, winds, storms, and hurricanes are formed in the atmosphere. But how do they occur? All atmospheric phenomena are originated by the sun. The sun influences all weather elements such as temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure. Temperature is the amount of heat or cold in the atmosphere. It changes throughout the day, seasons, and regions according to the position of the Earth relative to the sun. Humidity is the amount of water in the atmosphere, evaporated by the heat of the sun. Have you heard of the water cycle?
Mine! Humidity and temperature in the atmosphere are responsible for the formation of clouds and rain. I'll tell you more about the water cycle in The Magic of Water.
Atmospheric pressure is the weight of air over the Earth's surface. Air has weight. We live at the bottom of an ocean of air. The more air above us, the greater the pressure. Pressure changes with altitude and temperature. Warm air is lightweight and goes up, and is replaced by cold air, which is heavier and goes down. This movement of air masses produces winds.
Temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure are some of the weather elements, although there are more, such as cloud coverage, rainfall, and wind.
Weather and climate are not the same thing. Weather describes the conditions of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. Here and now, the weather is cloudy and rainy. What's the weather like where you live? Climate, however, describes the weather of a region over a longer period of time. The weather and other factors, such as landforms, the proximity of the sea, and the distance to the equator, all influence the climate. This creates different climates on Earth, with places as diverse as the jungle of Borneo, where it rains for months, or the Atacama Desert, where 15 years can go without water.
By learning about the climate of their region, Javier and Maliko are able to know what seeds to use and what time of the year to plant them. By knowing what the weather will be tomorrow, they can decide if today is okay to save some irrigation water. Can you think of other things for which it's important to know and predict the weather? Ooh, the temperature is falling. Let's condense. Let's do it! Where will we fall this time?
Do you like it, students? Okay, so let's have a recap. So what is weather? When you say weather, it is a condition in the atmosphere in a short period of time. For example, now it is cloudy day here. I don't know later. What about yours in Thailand? Maybe it's sunny. Okay, let's go on with climate. When you say climate, it is a weather condition in a long period of time. For example, here in Philippines, we do have 2 seasons. Every 6 months, we change climate. For 6 months, we have dry, and for another 6 months, we have wet season. But there are also places where there are 4 seasons. So in every 3 months, they change their climate. They have winter, spring, summer, or fall. I hope you like it, guys, and I hope that you learned something today. And I guess that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Remember, stay safe and stay at home. Khop khun krap.